Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to do tornado kick. So first if you go like this, then kick. But if you want to do it full, I'm not too good at it, I'm not going to lie. Sorry. And try to do it like this for a beginner.